shot, Scott.
Good hit by the 87 of Mike Ernst. The 576 machine of Josh Spinks is out of it. The 23 of Tommy Atkins hung up on the dead car of Josh Spinks. Scott Miller is trying to get that machine to go somewhere. It does not want to go where it is.
Push it, Scotty, push it.
The anchor machine gets undone. Good hit on a 10 of Robert Ernst. Running strong.
Fucking thing's clogged again. Driver door! Driver door!
The anchor in the 23.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Inside. The 17 of Scott Miller is on the clock. That car is not fired. He's trying to get that machine fired back up. We may be down to 4 of it. 4 cars. The 7 of Dan Winans is out of it. Hold up right there. Hold up. Hold up. We got it fired.
There you go, Scotty.
I'll get hollered at if I go out there with no gear on.
Right?